Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, simply right click here and select run. Then we need to type your msconfig, then click on OK. Before this, just right click on the taskbar, then select task manager. Now click on run new task, select browse button, go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder, then find out system32 folder, just double click on it to open it, then search for cmd.exe file. So here it is, select it and click on open. Now check this box and click on OK. Now on this window we need to execute some commands. Type gp update and hit enter. So this will take some time to complete the process. We need to wait for it. It will take just 6 to 7 seconds to complete this command. Once done, we need to type in chkdsk space c:/f and hit enter. Type y and hit enter. Once done, type exit to close the command prompt window and then close this one. Then just go to search bar, open registry editor. You can simply type here re registry editor, click here to open it, select S. Now expand HK local machine from here, then expand system, then expand control set 001 folder, then expand services folder. Then from here we need to find out NDU folder. So here it is, just select it. Then on the right side, right click on start, select modify and change the value data as to 4. Okay, then click on OK. Again go back to HK local machine, then open system folder, then expand current control set. Now expand control folder, then expand session manager. So just scroll down and here you will get it, session manager. Simply expand it. Then from here we need to select memory management, just expand it. Now just select it. On the right side here you will get clear page file at shutdown. Simply right click on it and select modify, change the value data as 1, then click on OK. Now close all windows one by one. After that we need to select services on the system configuration window. Check this box and select all these services, click on disable all, then click on apply and then select OK. Here we need to restart our system, so don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe. Just restart your system and your problem will be solved and you're good to go.